Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to give some information about Adani Group. So, origin of Adani Group. Adani Group is Indian multinational conglomerate headquartered in Ahmedabad. Conglomerate means company made up of several different small companies. It was founded by Gautam Adani on 20 July 1988 as the commodity trading business with the flagship company Adani Enterprise. So flagship company means ship of pirates are known by their flag, that this is the flag. So there are these kind of pirates. So they started. Gautam Adani started their enterprise with the name of Adani Enterprise. The group has annual revenue of over 20 billion US dollar with operation at 70 locations in 50 different countries. There are more than 23,000 employees working in the company. In April 21, Adani Group became the third Indian conglomerate to cross 100 billion US dollar in market capitalization. It crossed the market capitalization of 200 billion US dollar in April 22, become the third conglomerate after Tata Group and Reliance Industries. These are the some business done by the Adani Group: energy and utilities, transportation and logistics, incubation, real estate, financial service, and housing finance. This is a diagram which is present on Adani's official website. There are different diagrams like they involving coal, power, in Adani Power Limited company, trading company, and other exchanges. Adani Enterprise Limited. Adani Enterprise Limited is an Indian multinational publicly listed holding and a part of Adani Group. It is headquartered in Ahmedabad and primarily involved in mining and trading of coal and iron ore. Through its various subsidiaries, it also has business interests in airports operations, edible oil, roads, rails, and water infrastructure, data centers, solar manufacturing, amongst others. Adani Enterprise holds revenue of rupees 9.2 billion US dollar, net income of rupees 160 million US dollar, total assets of rupees 13 billion US dollar, and total equity of 3.5 billion US dollar. This is the tomorrow's yesterday's share. Adani Enterprise stock value rupees 24,898.90 Indian rupees.
Adani Wilmar Limited. Adani Wilmar Limited is a joint venture between Adani Group and Wilmar Group of Singapore. It is engaged in manufacturing of edible oil, wheat, flour, rice, pulses, and sugar. The company also owns the popular brand Fortune, which is the India's largest selling edible oil brand in India. Angshu Malik is the CEO of Adani Wilmar. This is the photo of Angshu Malik. These are the products of Fortune company. This is the share price of Adani Wilmar, which was yesterday, which was 611.90 Indian rupees. APSEZ, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited, formerly known as Mundra Port and Special Economic Zone Limited, is India's largest private multi-port operator. APSEZ represents a large network port with India's largest seas at Mundra. APSEZ port business is integral to its logistics business and India's largest private port operation with presence across 12 locations. Karan Adani is the CEO of APSEZ. This is the photo of Karan Adani. Its revenue is 2 billion US dollars and net income was 660 million US dollars. Total asset worth rupees 9.8 billion US dollars and total equity is 4.2 billion US dollars. This is the share price, yesterday's share price of APSEZ, which was 753.05 million rupees.
Adani Power Limited. Adani Power Limited is an Indian power and energy company subsidiary of Indian conglomerate Adani Group with the head office in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It is a private thermal producer with capacity of 12,450 megawatt. It also operates a mega solar plant of 40 megawatt at Nalia Vita, Kutch, Gujarat. It is Indian first company that synchronized the supercritical technology. So supercritical technology, Adani Power Limited is the world first company to complete this to synchronize the supercritical technology in 30 months, which could be done which could be completed earlier, but due to some trade due to some trade effect due to COVID-19, it's became late. Adani Goda Power is implementing a 1,600 megawatt plant at Jharkhand. The company has signed long-term power purchase agreement about 9,153 megawatts with government of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana, Rajasthan, Karnataka, and Punjab. Vinit Jain is the CEO of Adani Power. Adani Power revenue is 4.2 billion US dollar, net income of rupees 640 million US dollar, total asset of rupees 10 billion US dollar, and total equity of 1.7 billion US dollar. This is the share price of Adani Power Limited yesterday. It was 290.85 million rupees. It was down by 3.15%. Adani Transmission Limited. Adani Transmission Limited is an electric power transmission company headquartered in Ahmedabad. So mainly Adani Group controls all its business from Ahmedabad. Currently, it is one of the largest private sector transmission companies operating in India. As on July 2020, the company operates a cumulative network of 12,200 circuit kilometers, and more than 3,200 circuit kilometers are under various stages of construction. Anil Kumar Sardar is the CEO of Adani Transmission. These are the revenue, net income, total asset, and total equity of Adani Power Adani Transmission. Adani Transmission share value was rupees 2,970.70 Indian rupees. It went down by 73.75% yesterday.
Adani Total Gas Limited. Adani Total Gas Limited is Indian-based company that is engaged in the business of natural gas. The company is wholly owned subsidiary of Adani Enterprise Limited. The company is focused on developing gas cities distribution (CGD) network to supply pipe natural gas (PNG) to industrial, commercial, domestic, and compressed natural gas to transportation sector. The company has set up various cities gas distribution network in Ahmedabad and Vadodara in Gujarat, Faridabad in Haryana, and Kurcha in Uttar Pradesh. Suresh Manglani is the CEO of Adani Gas Limited. This is the photo of Suresh Manglani. This is the share price, yesterday's share price of Adani Total Gas Limited, which was 2,870.50 Indian rupees. Along with various companies, Adani Group is also involved in Adani Defense and Aerospace. Adani Defense and Aerospace lead to the Adani Group's foray into defense and aerospace manufacturing plant, and in the instrumental role in helping transform India into a destination for world-class defense and aerospace manufacturing, alike to make in India intense. Adani Road, Metro and Rail. To contribute towards nation building and infrastructure development, the company intends to tap the opportunities in the road, metro, rail sector by developing national highways, expressways, tunnels, metro rail and railways, etc. Adani Group has successfully tracked record of nurturing business in infrastructure sector. The group has developed several railway lines in India and abroad. Adani owns the longest private railway lines spanning about 300 kilometers in India. These private rail lines are connected to their ports, mining and other business hubs to ensure seamless cargo movement.